And good Wednesday morning. Hopefully you're staying warm out there, Brooke. Of course, indoors today, and probably not a bad place to be this morning. It is chilly outside. Allow yourself a little extra time to scrape the windshield. We've got a lot of frost thanks to clearing skies through the overnight hours. A lot of stars up there early this morning. We are going to enjoy some sunshine today. Sunshine helps bring us temperatures back at least into the low to mid 40s this afternoon. But through the rest of this week, actually, the cold weather is going to stick around. We'll finally bottom out for afternoon temperatures tomorrow with afternoon highs only in the 30s. And then Friday morning, the coldest morning, with many of us waking up temperatures back into the teens. We'll warm back up this weekend, but there's also more rain on the horizon towards the end of the weekend. Now, compared to yesterday morning, quite the change. We were still in the low to mid 50s at this time yesterday morning. So this morning, anywhere from about 25 to nearly 30 degrees colder than just 24 hours ago. Puts us at 28 in Mount Vernon, 23 currently in Marion, a little cool there, 30 in Paducah, 32 in Sikeston still, and 32 as well in Poplar Bluff, 25 currently in Fredericktown, Missouri. Live view out at Harrisburg, out at SIC there on the east side of town, and everything is pretty quiet this morning. We've had light winds through the overnight hours again allowing for just a little frost to develop on some of the car windshields, so you will be scraping the windshield this morning. We've also been tracking some clouds moving through parts of western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee. Right now, southern Illinois still dealing with mostly clear skies. We'll be tracking a few high thin clouds out about western Missouri right now and back into southeastern Kansas. Those will be with us. We call those cirrus clouds. They're very high up into the atmosphere at times, give that milky look to the sky. There's the cold front that moved through here yesterday morning. It's moving away from us, taking most of the rain with it as well. We are tracking another disturbance actually moving through out of the plains this morning, dropping some snow back into western Nebraska and all the way back into the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. There's a chance that we could see at least a few snow flurries from that first thing tomorrow morning. Also a big area of high pressure moving in across the Canadian border there, and that is Canadian high pressure, so it's going to bring some cold air back into the middle of the country. Right now, Sioux City down to 11 degrees, Des Moines, Iowa at 17, 25 in Springfield, Chicago at 20. So there is a lot of cold air still across the upper Midwest, and it is slowly sinking to the south. 27 out to the west in Kansas City, while it's 32 in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and 37 at this hour in Nashville. We are dry today, a pretty nice afternoon, in fact, for the second half now of February. A little high, thin clouds with us and from time to time. Otherwise, some sunshine out there. Soak up the vitamin D while you've got it. Heading into Thursday morning, more clouds expected, and again, there is a chance a couple snow flurries are possible, maybe even into the Boot Hill, Missouri, mixing with a few rain showers. Not expecting really anything in the way of snow accumulation, and for most, it's not even anything in the way of rain accumulation either. However, by Thursday afternoon, we are starting to dry back out, and with that, we will see the sunshine also return. So today, we're back in the low to mid 40s. We'll drop, though, Thursday afternoon. These are high temperatures during the afternoon hours, only the mid 30s on Thursday into southern Illinois, possibly some upper 30s south of the Ohio River and south of Highway 60. We finally bottom temperatures out first thing on Friday morning, where we'll wake up with temperatures back into the upper teens in southern Illinois, lower 20s from Paducah back over near Portageville and Malden, Missouri. And then, of course, factor in a light breeze on Friday morning, what it's going to feel like out there. Well, wind chills back into the teens once again early on Friday. So again, that makes it, at least today, doesn't seem too bad out there. 44 for an afternoon high temperature. North and northeast winds could be a bit breezy at times. Mostly cloudy skies by tonight, and temperatures hovering back to about the freezing mark by midnight. Here's our next chance for some rain. It's towards the end of the weekend. We're going to watch a storm system move out of the southern plains. It is going to bring some more wet weather our way Sunday and into Monday. Potentially here for some heavier rain, especially through Monday, possibly up to about an inch of rainfall on average. Again, most of that coming in here towards the second half of the weekend, and really towards the second half of the day there on Sunday. So at least some sunshine into the forecast for Friday. Cold start to the day. Will warm up Friday afternoon to about 40 degrees. Warmer this weekend, upper 40s on Saturday and Sunday. But by Sunday afternoon, rain spreading into the area, and the heaviest rain expected Sunday night and into Monday. Monday, high temperature of 50 degrees early next week. We do expect temperature at least on the mild side, but again, that weather in the forecast and next week actually shaping up to be a pretty wet week.
Well, it looks like, though, we've got, you said, warmer over the weekend, so this weekend is...
Saturday is going to be the day. Yeah, Saturday is your day, especially for the weekend. If you need to get things done outside, you want to spend some time outside, because Sunday does look pretty wet.
All right, thank you, Nick.